Please stand for your pledge. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Avi, and let's get into your Avi announcements. La Quinta High School is hosting the first annual Playwriting Festival. The event takes place May 13th at 6:30, and it's free to get in. There will be a color guard workshop on May 13th and 15th from 4 to 6. If you have any questions, contact Mr. Cordova at Christopher.Cordova at Desert Sands US. Attention Blackhawks, Miss Leone has partnered with EF Tours to launch an incredible educational travel opportunity to Japan, Tokyo, Disney Sea Park in Spring Break 2027. The meeting will take place on Thursday, May 22nd at 5 p.m. virtually. Make sure to RSVP using the link on the flyer in the Blackhawk Bulletin to receive the meeting. More questions, see Miss Leone in room 353. Attention seniors, once you have decided what college or university you will be attending, please stop by to register office 116 and see Miss Estrada to pick up and complete the final transcript request form as soon as possible. Attention Blackhawks, starting Monday, May 12th, the library will be closed during lunch, and last day to borrow library books is Friday, May 16th. Please plan your visits accordingly.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Joey, and let's get into today's sports. Spring water polo will be starting Tuesday, May 13th at 4 p.m. in the pool complex. All students must be athletically cleared prior to May 13th. Please see flyer for additional information. Athletic physicals will be held on Thursday, May 29th, 4 p.m. for $25 in the main gym. Don't miss out on the chance to get it done. Have a great day, La Quinta.